Hi, it's Chad from Fitera, and I'm really excited to share with you my new fat-burning chocolate peanut butter recipe that's so quick and easy to make. There's no hard to find or expensive ingredients, and as you'll learn here in a second, it's the perfect combination of special fat-burning ingredients to satisfy all your sweet tooth cravings, keep you full and satisfied throughout the day, improve your metabolism, and perhaps best of all, it tastes absolutely amazing. You're gonna love this. Along with this video, you'll receive the entire recipe with all the ingredients, directions, and nutritional info in an easy-to-print PDF document, which is also 100% free, so stay tuned. The first ingredient you need is 1 to 2 teaspoons of peanut butter, or whatever type of nut butter that you like. It can be cashew or almond, whatever you prefer. Now there's lots of benefits of nut butters like peanut butter, such as it's high in protein, high in fiber, high in good fats, but perhaps the best benefit of all, in my opinion, is that it tastes delicious. Now why is taste so important to fat loss? Because if you're not enjoying yourself, it's not at all likely that you're going to stick with your plan, which is why 95% of diets fail. They're just suffering through meals that they don't really even enjoy and eventually quit. But I can promise you this, you are going to love the taste of this recipe. It is awesome and you'll never feel deprived. Next ingredient you need is 2 teaspoons of oats. Now I'm using steel cut oats because they're my personal favorite and I believe them to be the healthiest, but there's also old-fashioned oats, dry rolled oats, and even instant oats. In the PDF document that I'm going to send you with the recipe, it'll include all the advantages and benefits of each kind so that you can choose the one that's right for you. Now the primary reason oats are so good for fat loss and good health in general is because they're full of fiber. High fiber foods have what's called low energy density, meaning they have fewer calories relative to the total weight of the food. Fiber contains about half the calories of other carbs. In addition to being lower calorie, high fiber foods are more filling. Fiber actually expands in the stomach and is absorbed more slowly than other foods, which means we feel full and satisfied a lot longer, all the while it's taking in less calories, which is obviously the perfect scenario for fat loss. Fiber also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which makes the energy you get from foods last much longer, so you're staying energized throughout the day. You also need 2 teaspoons of flax seeds, which not only help stabilize blood sugar and are full of fiber like oats, there's 2 other primary health benefits that are key to fat loss. First, they improve your sensitivity to insulin. Insulin is one of your body's main fat storage hormones, and improving insulin sensitivity reduces the amount of insulin circulating in your bloodstream, which results in less fat storage and more fat burning. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fats, which is very important during the fat burning process. When these omega-3 fatty acids are broken down by the body, they create a usable form of energy, which is awesome. You're actually burning fat to create energy your body can use. You also need 1 to 2 teaspoons of crushed almonds. Now, almonds rank among the highest protein nuts at a fraction of the cost of other high-end nuts such as walnuts. Now, there's 2 primary reasons protein is so critical to losing fat and keeping it off, and I'll explain all of that in the PDF document that you'll get with the recipe. The 5th and final ingredient is 1 little square of chocolate, which if you choose the right kind is packed with all sorts of beneficial antioxidants and flavonoids to help lower your blood pressure and bad LDL cholesterol. But perhaps the greatest fat loss benefit of chocolate is that even just a little bit satisfies your sweet tooth craving, which, as I'm sure you've experienced, is really important to sticking to your plan and long-term fat loss success. I'll explain the right kind of chocolate that offers all these benefits and tastes amazing, as well as the kinds to avoid in the free PDF document. Alright, now that you know the 5 special fat-burning ingredients and why they're so beneficial, here's how you make the quick and easy fat-burning recipe that's so delicious that I really think you're going to love. Oh, and for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you how to make a single serving of this recipe, but in the PDF document, you'll have the quantities for making 5, 10, and even 20 servings at a time for the entire week, or even for the entire family if you'd like. They'll all love it. First, just mix the oats, flax seeds, and almonds together. Next, and this is optional, but it makes it taste even better, is toasting them for just a couple minutes, which really brings out the flavor and improves the texture. You do this by simply spraying a pan with 100% all-natural olive oil cooking spray and spread the ingredients on the pan. Now just set the oven to broil and let them toast for just a couple minutes. Again, toasting is optional, but it's worth the extra couple minutes. It really tastes amazing. Then just spread the oat, flaxseed, and almond mixture on a plate like this and put the peanut butter and the grated or shaved chocolate next to it. You can just use a cheese grater or potato peeler to get little shavings like this. Now here's where the special chocolate peanut butter trick comes into play. Simply dip one side of your fork into the peanut butter and then into the oat, flaxseed, and almond mixture so all the great fat-burning ingredients stick to your fork like this. As you can see, there's peanut butter on the other side as well, which is what you'll dip into the grated chocolate. Or you can simply stir all these ingredients together and eat it that way if you prefer. Either way, it's absolutely delicious and has all the perfect ingredients for fat loss and good health in general, and it only has 200 calories, yet it's super filling. You'll stay full and energized throughout the day, and it'll help curb any sweet tooth cravings. So try this recipe. I really think you're gonna love it. Now, if you want this recipe in quick and easy printing format, including the nutritional info and important tips on choosing the best ingredients for this recipe, just click the link below. There's all kinds of peanut butters and chocolates, for example, that are much better for you than others, yet still taste just as good. Plus, I'll show you an easy trick for getting all these ingredients at about half the price. You'll also receive 5 other versions of this recipe that will not only offer variety, but are specific to certain situations. For example, there's a specific nutrient that is absolutely critical after a workout for the best possible results. So I have a post-workout version of this recipe that includes this important nutrient. I hope you found this helpful. Click below to receive all the promised info, and thanks a lot for watching.